You're looking for motivation, but sad to say, it's not about motivation. Motivation is useless without action. And taking action without reason is also useless. Please, find your reason, then take action. Then if you're going to take action, sigurado kung may resulta ka, masama man o mabuti, at dun mo makukuha yung motivation. Ulitin ko, please find your reason bakit kayo nandito. Bakit nyo ginagawa yung mga bagay na ginagawa ninyo. Why? It will take, kapag alam mo yung rason, siguradong magte-take action ka. Paano? Alam mong mahirap ka, dinadown ka ng ibang tao, may sinasabi sila sa'yo, anong gagawin mo? Alam mo na yung reason mo. Ngayon, you will take action kasi ayaw mo na magstay ka doon. Anong gagawin mo? Take action. Now, pag nag-take action ka, may ginawa ka, kahit masama man o mabuti yung resulta mo, sigurado ako, makukunan mo yun ng motivation. So please, find your reason, take action, then motivation will follow. Kaya nga pag gusto nyong mag-jogging, di ba, pag una niyong tayo sa jogging, ayaw nyong mag-jogging. Wala, kapoy. Yung motivation, wala. Pero try nyo maglakad ng 15 minutes. Pag pinawisan ka na, parang gusto mo nang maglakad pa. At that's the example of action first. Then you will have the motivation. Don't look for motivation. Instead of motivation, look for your reasons. Because ang reason walang expiration. Hindi katulad ni motivation. And please take risks. At huwag ninyong kalimutan na si takot, hindi nyo siya kalaban.